Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 1377, and today's topic is magical health benefits of citrus fruits. And here I want to clear the meaning of citrus fruit and what are those citrus fruits to clear the confusion. So the citrus fruits, they are lemon, somewhere they call it lime, bitter lemon sometimes, and then the other one is that is called orange, or sometimes in Pakistan they call it kinu. In Nigeria they call it tangerine, but in India orange means it is with yellowish color, what they call it kinu in Pakistan, that is orange with yellow peel. The other one is called sweet lemon, or in India we call it musambi, but that one is called here in Nigeria orange. So there is a little confusion place to place, but they all belong to only one group of fruit, that is called citrus fruit. Let me show you one by one. For example, say lemon or lime. In Middle East sometimes they address it. So this is actually the very clear photo of lemon. It is having some bitter in taste. The other one, the orange color, this is called orange in India. In Nigeria it is called tangerine, and in Pakistan it is called kinu. It's a little bit bigger size, and if you remove the skin or peel it, there are in small pieces these. And the third one, what we call it in India, that is called mosami. Mosami, or in English if you say, they call it sweet lemon, but in Nigeria they call it orange. So there is such type of difference, but they all belong to citrus fruit. And very interesting thing I am showing here, that is the peel of, that is orange or tangerine in Nigeria, the yellowish color, and it is having very good aroma or smell like perfume. That's why nowadays there is perfume, that class of perfume it called citrus perfume. So actually the same natural mixture of terpene essential oil is there in this, and this is very much medicinal. At the last I am going to discuss about the medicinal value of this orange peel, and they are very rich source of lot of essential oil, mixture of terpene, and that can be used to take care of indoor air pollution. I am showing you very clear photo of lemon, and half cut is full of lot of important phytochemicals that I am going to discuss one by one. It is actually musambi, or we call it orange in Nigeria, and it belongs to that citrus group. And here the small pieces are not separated out once you remove the outer skin, that is called peeling. So it is in India called musambi. When you peel out, this is called orange in India, and there are small pieces inside separated out. So that is actually in India it is called orange, and here in Nigeria it is called tangerine. Very clear photo of in Nigeria we call it orange, but in India we call it musambi or sweet lemon. It is only having difference that they are not in different pieces like in oranges or tangerine. This is hybrid form, and in Pakistan it is called kinu. It is big size of orange in Indian language, and this is very rich source of lot of juice, and also lot of phytochemicals and phenolics. So let me take one by one the citrus fruits magical health benefit. Number one goes to it promote hydration. It protect your body cell from dehydration. That is most important. In India and in many places worldwide, they call it bed tea, or in India I call it in most of the houses. Morning starts with either tea or black coffee or some other carbonated drink. Please change that type of habit and shift to this, that is your lemon water. Take 1 glass of water, squeeze, extract half of the lemon juice into that water, shake it well, and drink it once you get up in the morning. The reason is that once we are getting up in the morning, we are dehydrated. Our cells, they need water. And here, if you are mixing with citrus fruit, most important is lemon. Why I am giving more emphasis on lemon? Because sometimes tangerine, that is orange, or musambi, kinu, may not be available to every place, but lemon is very common. Like in Maiduguri, every day we can see in dozens, everywhere they are selling the lemon. It is available abundantly in large quantity. Even the masses, poorest of the poor, can afford. And that is the best option to hydrate yourself, and at the same time, starting from morning, you can add in your body antioxidant, that is called vitamin C, very powerful antioxidant, anti-inflammatory compounds, and some minerals like potassium, magnesium, and calcium. So you are going to we can say add lot of positive ingredient, diet, and food which are very much helpful to your health. So please start your morning with lime, that is lemon juice, we call in India Nibu Pani, or sometimes in our area in UP we call it sikanji. And it is very common practice in India during the hot season. Those who are supplying the cold water, they keep dozens of lemon, and they add, if you pay some little money, they will squeeze, extract the lemon, and it is supplied. So best thing to control dehydration, and lot of problems start with dehydration in the morning. If it is taken care, you will be okay, because dehydration is going to suppress your blood circulation, and once your blood circulation is not normal, means oxygen is not reaching, is because of dehydration, and it may cause sometimes headache, nausea, fatigue, so many things are coming. So best way, once you get up in the morning, of course your bed tea or whatever morning tea, it will help to hydrate, but it will not add the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds. Number two, good source of vitamin C. As I have already told you, that these citrus fruits are very good source of vitamin C. And I am just giving the reference of one journal where it is reported that the test was conducted, that what is the reason why in some area of the Japan people are having longevity and they don't have the heart attack and heart problem even in the age group of 80 or 90. And when the research was conducted, it was found that those people who are having high vitamin C percentage in their blood, they are well protected from infection, and from cardiovascular problem, at the same time high blood pressure and good blood circulation. The reason is that this vitamin C is very powerful antioxidant, and also in citrus fruits there is mixture of terpene essential oil which is giving very good perfume like smell that helps to reduce the inflammation. And these two causes are really main, we can say, danger to our health. So this is very, very important antioxidant in the citrus fruit, and also it controls infection and it improves your immune system. Number 3, good source of folate. It is also rich source of folate, all the citrus fruits, especially the lemon. And why I am giving more emphasis on lemon? Because lemon, the masses, poorest of the poor can afford. And when you are going for walking, for example, those who can afford, put in your pocket one orange and peel it out and go on eating and walking. So it will maintain your oxidative stress, free radical will be reduced, and at the same time will be hydrated. And that folate is important for your cell growth. That is one of the group of vitamin B. Then good source of vitamin B complex, B6, B12, B2, all these B group of coenzyme, they are present in the citrus fruits, and they help in digestion and also as a coenzyme. Then number 5, anti-inflammatory properties. Vitamin C, mixture of terpenes, that essential oil, limonene and citral, they are the best anti-inflammatory. So they can reduce oxidative stress as well as inflammation. Oxidative stress means they will drastically neutralize free radicals which are produced during oxidation reaction. And these free radicals, they are killing a lot and they are damaging every aspect of our life. So once your free radicals are neutralized or cleared or killed, I can say, you are free of oxidative stress, and then you will be having very good health from every aspect. Then number 7, enhance iron absorption. It can enhance the iron absorption because the citric acid which is present in natural citrus fruits, it will bind this iron will be absorbed more in presence of vitamin C, and your child will not be having deficiency of iron. So it is very important for school going children to give some citrus fruit so that their oxidative stress is reduced, their inflammation is reduced, and there is good absorption of all this iron. Let me show you that one thing. So here you can see how the citrus fruit is helping to absorb the iron, and it is very important for teenager or children to give citrus fruit so that they will be having enough energy, and also free radical production will be reduced and good quantity of iron will be absorbed. You can see very clear picture how the citric acid oxygen is having negative charge and calcium is double positive charge. So they are attracted, they are binded with each other, and once lot of millions of calcium ions are binded with citric acid, the chance of crystallization of stone which is formed in kidney is very, very less. This is very interesting research publication, and let me explain how vitamin C improves the chance of pregnancy and it helps in fertility. you might have seen that number of sperm count is less and somewhere it is more. But if you are taking vitamin C, means citrus fruits, they will protect them from oxidative stress, free radical attack, and that's why these sperms will be healthy. And once they are healthy, and at the same time, the semi-fluid where they are swimming, that viscosity is also maintained so that they can swim properly and their momentum will be high so that they can take the egg and fertilization will take place. So also vitamin C plays important role in fertility, and to get pregnancy is very very important. Research papers are there. So you have seen it here. I have already demonstrated after showing the image. That is number 8. That prevent kidney stone, citric acid binding the calcium iron. And that is I have already given the explanation. And also number 9, that these citrus fruits are rich source of potassium, magnesium, and calcium. So it helps in your joint health, also muscle strength and overall strength of your body muscles. Then number 10, impact on fertility. Protect the sperm DNA damage also. The recent publication is indicating that the free radicals which are produced in our mitochondria, where energy is produced, is not only damaging your cell or other part, rather than it will go deep inside and your DNA, genetic material of sperm is damaged. And once the genetic material of your sperm is damaged, it goes towards infertility. Even if your sperm are healthy, but once their DNA, genetic material inside the sperm is damaged, there is no chance of any fertility or pregnancy for a young couple. So lot of research is there, and this vitamin C, if you are taking citrus fruits, the chance of not getting fertility, chance of poor sperm health or sperm condition will be reduced, and there will be chance of getting pregnancy because they will be free of oxidative stress, because free radicals will be reduced. And then number 11, mixture of terpene essential oil, that I have already shown you in pills. This research paper is recently published because we are aware of pollution, but we are not much serious about indoor pollution. If I say indoor pollution, it is having two types of pollution. One in the form of gas, water vapor, or other type of dust particle hanging in the air. The second pollution is that is without particle, that is electromagnetic radiation and wave. And for that one, you have to reduce the electronic devices to use. But in the case of other pollutants in the air, if you take the peel of oranges, put little water and boil it, so the mixture of terpene, essential oil plus water vapor will escape, and it will be sprayed in your drawing room and kitchen and bedroom. And that terpene mixture, essential oil mixture, is enough to clear a lot of different type of bad pollutants which are harmful to us. So, because they can kill even some virus and bacteria, they can damage. So this is very important. At least if you use your citrus fruit, after that it's matter of few minutes, put in your any pot and heat it for few minutes, let it evaporate along with the steam and let it spread inside house. First thing is that you will feel fresh, and that type of synthetic refreshers are there, which they are right, that citrus smell. Rather than going to that, you can put these things in your car or in your house and let you get the vapor mixture. So these are all magical health benefit of citrus fruits. So the same in the form of summary I have written, that is as usual handwritten, the one which I have explained to you all. So number one is, that is the citrus fruits promote hydration. Citrus fruits like lemon and oranges are rich in water content. It contains up to 90% water, and making them excellent way to promote hydration and also reduce oxidative stress, inflammation, because it contains lot of phenolics and they are antioxidant and anti-inflammatory, also terpene. And number two, good source of vitamin C. All the citrus fruits are good source of vitamin C, and which is powerful antioxidant and that help and support the immune system and protect against infection. Number three, collagen is a type of protein. It helps in that synthesis, and collagen is very important for your skin, shining good, healthy skin, and it support the skin structure, bone structure, and also connecting tissue. That is number four, enhances iron absorption. I have already told you that how it plays important role to absorb the iron, and it is very good for children because they need lot of iron because in their growing age. So add in your children's diet some citrus fruits. Number five, kidney stone prevention. It prevents kidney stone by chelating or binding the calcium ions with citric acid, because citrus fruits are rich source of citric acid. And number six, it reduces gastrointestinal problem. That is, citrus fruits are rich in fiber and antioxidant, anti-inflammatory compounds, and that's why your gastrointestinal problem means production of more gas, and also gastric built up is drastically reduced. Number seven, role of vitamin B group. So role of vitamin B group means it is having B6, and it plays in a nerve function and also in energy and metabolism. Folate is also vitamin B group, and that is essential for cell growth and cell development. Impact on fertility. It can protect your DNA damage in sperm, and also it can improve the health quality of sperm by protecting it from oxidative stress, means damage by free radicals. So in the last but not least, my experience, scientific knowledge, with that my advice is that all of you should add citrus fruits. Those who are, well off, rich, they can go different variety, but for masses, poorest of the poor, they can afford one lemon. Go for lemon extract in water. That is in Indian language, Nimbu Pani is very, very important. If you add every day in the morning, it's fantastic. With this, I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.